Alright, peeps, welcome back to another episode of Funny Moments in FIFA 22 Jamaican edition. Right now, that one here, unique. That one here, very, very unique. So, you don't know, so you have February right or so. Already for a cross the ball over. With the defender here, Diego Carlos, you see me? That crossing the ball, and first of all, let me just put it again. What the hell is that? The man foot face trim foot. What is such a chest? Such a my boss prepare look and I say what go on? But we are getting at the meat of the matter. Ball crossover, Courtois obviously miss. But in this point in time, we need to understand what going on here. So we are look back on the physics of this, you see me? Slow mo. Oh, the man flick back the ball and the ball go behind him, man. Watch out. Watch out.
6-star skill.
No, yeah, I'm right, a 6-star skill.
New skill in FIFA.
New skill in FIFA, yo, FIFA. Yo, no make that new skill, brother, cause that skill is bad. That skill is bad. That skill is too bad, brother. Yo.